Hello everyone. Welcome to the first episode of Under the Tree. Thank you for being here and taking time. And before I begin, I would like to tell you why I chose this name. Because when I was just crafting the entire community, and I don't want to get into a webinar or a selling or any other coaching program because that is happening everywhere. So I wanted to have a place where we just come, we pause, we reflect, we learn, we ask questions. That's it. So that is the plain objective I have. Growing up, हमने देखा है that many of us seen people under the tree. Under the tree is can be luxurious, but if you look at what we do under the tree, what we get shade, comfort, and sometimes wisdom as well. So you may agree that tree doesn't grow overnight. Do you agree? Do you agree that tree doesn't grow overnight? Yeah. So it begins as a tiny seed. So what tree needs? It needs soil, it needs nourishment, it needs rain, it needs storm as well, and patience. Can you tell tree to grow in a day? No, it won't be possible. And for that, you need strong roots, right? And once you have all these qualities in the tree will definitely give you good fruits and shade because it will spread out, right? So I really felt that our life is exactly the same. Do you agree our life is exactly the same? Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So every weekend, let's meet under the tree and nurture the roots that help us to grow. That is the pure objective I have for this weekend program. So let me ask you something that, have you ever looked at someone and thought, किसी को देख के आपको ऐसा लगा कि अरे ये लोग तो कितना लकी है, दे आर सो लकी, उनके लिए ना सब कुछ एकदम परफेक्ट चल रहा है, एवरीथिंग सीम्स टू वर्क एग्जैक्टली हाउ इट शुड बी, राइट? व्हाई आर दे गोइंग सो वेल इन देयर करियर और मुझे क्यों लग रहा है मैं स्टक हूं? ऐसे कितनों को लगता है? डू यू एग्री? हम लोग को ऐसा लगता है? डू यू फील दैट? या? डू यू फील स्टक? बी ऑनेस्ट. Be honest. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. So when we look at, see the people who have grown in their areas of expertise, they have a different side of it which we never looked at. So let's look at in a different perspective. So growth, it's not about luck. Let me tell you, take out from your uh, brain or a mind, there is nothing called luck. I got this clarity probably after working with different coaches, working with different trainees, that lucky is something that is a myth. It's not luck. It's not even a pure talent. It's something much deeper. So let's imagine have a, can you see a plant? Can you see a plant in my hand? Can you see it?
Yes, Pallavi, yes.
Yes. So imagine, okay, before the plant, imagine we have two seeds. I don't have a seeds here, but imagine we have a two seeds, okay, and both are planted on the same day. Imagine you're doing it for yourself. So when you see that, one grows into a beautiful tree. Can you see this beautiful tree? Yeah. So, and other tree is barely survives. Okay. So what is the difference in the seed? What was the difference in this seed? Seed में कोई difference है क्या? दोनों तो मैंने same time sow किया है, right? So why the other tree is barely surviving and other tree is staying strong? What could be the reason? Can anybody just give me some understanding what would have gone wrong or correct in both the scenario? Anyone? Just think over. It's not logic.
Maybe the other tree has not get proper nourishment, water,
Okay. Okay. So,
love.
okay.
That
Right. So probably this tree had a fertile soil. Can we say that? Yeah. And had enough sunlight and water consistently. It survived in storm as well. And very important thing in this process, this tree has developed strong roots. Now think of our lives. We often admire people's fruits, right? Their success, their confidence, their happiness, their achievement, but we barely see their roots, right? Do we see that what books they read? Do we see that how they face their failures and how they have built their habits and what kind of discipline they usually practice? क्या discipline वो follow करते हैं? क्या हमने वो देखा है कभी? क्या उन्होंने जो दर्द सहा है, like tears, nobody saw, right? Because we see only fruits, leaves, and we started compare their life with our life. We compare our beginning with someone's harvest. I'll repeat again. We compare our beginning with someone's harvest. That's never a fair comparison. Do you agree? हम लोग
yes,
ऐसे ऐसे
Pallavi.
ऐसे हम लोग कंपेयर करते हैं, अरे उनका अच्छा, एंड उनका वो जो लेवल है वो पहुंचने के लिए उनको भी एक टाइम पीरियड लगा है. इट्स नॉट हैपेंड ओवरनाइट. एज आई सेड, ट्री नेवर ग्रोस ओवरनाइट. I don't believe people say I got stuck. Okay, they don't get stuck. They lack, and because they lack intelligence. Most people stay stuck because they lack invisible roots. What is this invisible roots? That is sometimes your fear of failing. Oh my God, क्या होगा? Fear of being judged. अरे मैंने ऐसे कहा तो लोग क्या कहेंगे? This लोग क्या कहेंगे is major challenge with everyone. And sometimes it's comparison. That okay, she is also doing well. Arey, how I don't have many people in my training program. Again, that is a comparison. So we are so busy watching someone else's journey and we forget to walk our own path. हम लोग दूसरे का देखते हैं कि कैसा उनका अच्छा हो रहा है. But can you just look back and see your own journey? Because let me tell you, the growth requires discomfort. It's not easy. So seed has to break down before it can grow as a tree. Imagine अगर वो seed बोलता है that I am comfortable here and I don't want to change. It will never become a tree. So it exactly happened with us. We are comfortable here. We don't want to learn. So growth, it's not an event. Growth is a habit. It's like a discipline, like a everyday work. So today I wanted to would like to leave you with 3 questions. Don't answer them now, but probably when we meet next or you reflect on these questions on this week, the following week. The question I want you to reflect on. What is the one area of life where I feel stuck? कौन सा मेरे लाइफ का वो जो एरिया है where I feel stuck? मैं stuck महसूस कर रहा हूँ, कर रही हूँ. Is it clear? First question is clear. You can write it down. Which one of your area of life, where you feel stuck? अभी इसका आंसर नहीं देना है. फॉलोइंग वीक में आपको ये इसके ऊपर रिफ्लेक्ट करना है. कहाँ पे मैं स्टक हो रहा हूँ. ओके. Question number 2. What is the real reason? Not the excuses, the real reason. अच्छा मेरे पास ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, दोज आर एक्सक्यूजेस. अच्छा मेरे पास मैक का लैपटॉप नहीं है, मेरे पास आईफोन नहीं है, दोज आर एक्सक्यूजेस, right? So what is the real reason that you are that because of that you are stuck? So we want that real reason. And third question, if you are a tree, what roots needs strengthening? अगर आप ट्री हो तो क्या आपके रूट्स को, कौन सा स्ट्रेंथनिंग आपके रूट्स को चाहिए? करेज चाहिए, पेशेंस चाहिए, सेल्फ बिलीफ प्रॉब्लम है, अवेयरनेस प्रॉब्लम है, क्या है? सो ये तीन क्वेश्चन पे आपको रिफ्लेक्ट करना है. आई विल रिपीट अगेन. विच वन ऑफ द एरिया ऑफ योर लाइफ वेर यू फील स्टक? That is a first question. Second, what is the real reason? Right? And third is, what roots needs strengthening? कौन से ऐसे रूट्स, आपके जो रूट्स है, क्या उनको स्ट्रेंथनिंग चाहिए? कौन सी शक्ति चाहिए जो फिलहाल कम हो रही है या है? So I will leave you with this final thought today, that please admire the tree, but the tree never forgets its roots. The stronger your roots are, the stronger your growth. So don't rush to produce fruits. मुझे immediately इतना कमाना है, मुझे अभी अभी चालू करना है. Because growth, as I said, it's an event. It's not an event. It's a habit. And don't compare your branches. अरे उसका लीफ, उसका branches is longer और मेरा छोटा है. Okay, don't compare it, right? Because growth comes natural, right? So every one of you take action and strengthen your roots. So I will just end the session, because as I said that we are just going to have a discussion and some thoughts for you for the next week. So thank you for being here, and I'll see you in the next weekend under the tree. So anybody has any questions regards to that, we can discuss. So probably you can
It
just,
was
yeah.
it was lovely reflection, Pallavi, and it's so true. We forget our about our invisible roots. We don't nurture them, and a lot keeps on going in our mind. So that's really such a nice way of helping us question that and dive deep into it. Thank you very much, Pallavi.
Thank you, Preeti, to be attentive, and you could reflect. The whole idea is to reflect. Otherwise, there are a lot of information available everywhere, right? So even we do have a lot of information inside, but we don't deep dive into it, right? So that's how those three questions will help everyone to reflect on, because the things which have worked for me, it will work for you, it will work for everyone, right? So with that conclusion, I would like to call it off the meeting. If anybody wants to discuss, we can still uh, continue. बात कर सकते हैं अगर किसी को अपना कुछ शेयरिंग करना है तो. Realme, what you're mentioning is when we do have some assignments, I think I'll come up with. So questions I will post it in the group as well for the next week. So you have to reflect on those questions. You may not answer them. It's not question answers or assignment. It's just to reflect on your wisdom. Okay. So lovely to see everyone and to be present here. So let's meet. Yeah, thank you. Yeah. So let's meet next weekend under the tree. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye, Pallavi.
Thank you.